I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn statistics together, step by step. Statistics is the science of data, collecting it, presenting it, and summarizing it. We'll organize data, picture it with graphs, and find the three measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. Raw data is just a list of numbers. We organize it into a frequency table, where the frequency tells us how often each value appears. Large datasets are grouped into class intervals. We picture data with graphs. A bar graph uses separated bars for distinct categories. A histogram uses touching bars for class intervals, and joining the tops of those bars gives a frequency polygon. The mean, or average, is the sum of all observations divided by how many there are. We write it as sigma x over n, where sigma x means add up all the values. For the data 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, the sum is 40 and there are 5 values. The mean is 40 divided by 5, which is 8. The median is the middle value once the data is arranged in order. If there's an even number of values, average the two in the middle. The mode is simply the value that occurs most often. In the ordered list 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, the middle value is 7, so that's the median. In 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, the value 3 appears most, so the mode is 3. To recap, organize data with frequencies, picture it with graphs, and summarize it 3 ways. The mean is the average, the median is the middle, and the mode is the most frequent value. Well done. And that completes Class 9 Maths. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.